ఓకే సో పారాబోలా అయిపోయింది మన లెక్చర్తో. టుడే లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ఎలిప్స్. ఓకే సో ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటి, ఈజ్ less than 1. Eccentricity for ellipse is less than 1. Okay, eccentricity for ellipse is less than 1. Now what is the definition of an ellipse? What is the definition of ellipse? So specific definition and time ledu, there is no separate definition for ellipse. So definition is same as a conic definition. Locus of a point whose ratio of distances from a fixed point and a fixed line is constant, and if that constant is less than 1, then it is ellipse, then the conic is ellipse. So now unlike parabola, see in the parabola we have only one vertex, one focus and one directrix, right? But for ellipse and hyperbola there will be two vertices, two foci and two directrices, both for ellipse and hyperbola. Okay, so if you are thorough with ellipse, hyperbola can be finished in 2 days. Hyperbola can be finished in 2 days. It can be taught in 2 days because all the formula are same or similar, you can say. Okay, all the formula of ellipse and hyperbola are very much similar, very much similar. So now E is less than 1 for ellipse. Now first we will discuss standard equation of ellipse. Okay, standard equation of ellipse, which is x square plus a square, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Okay, and obviously see 1 minus e square is less than 1, which means b is less than a. So obviously a is greater than b. A is greater than b. So that is the standard equation of ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That is known as standard equation of ellipse. Okay, where a is greater than b. Now we don't need the proof of this. Also you can say you don't need the proof of this because in parabola the proof of y square is equal to 4x is a 7 marks question. That's why we discussed there. Okay, so we don't need to discuss about this. We don't need to discuss about the proof of this. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Just remember that that is the standard equation of parabola, sorry, ellipse. That is the standard equation of ellipse. Now we'll draw the figure. X-axis, y-axis. Okay, now these are known as vertices. See, this is the axis of parabola, sorry, axis of ellipse, axis of ellipse. X-axis here is the axis of ellipse. Okay, or you can say major axis of ellipse and minor axis of ellipse. I would discuss that though. Now major axis of ellipse or simply axis of ellipse. Okay, so what is the definition of vertex? What is the definition of vertex of a conic? So point of intersection of the conic with the axis is nothing but vertex. Point of intersection of the point of intersection of the conic with the axis is known as vertex. So these are the vertices a, e dash. There will be two vertices a and a dash. So this is a comma 0 and this is minus a comma 0. This is a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. ఓకే, తర్వాత రాసుకున్నాను ఫస్ట్. Z Z dash S S dash. Okay, so these are directrices, directrix. Okay, foci. Yes, focus. S dash is also focus. Now so general point P. Okay, now see, this is the directrix corresponding to this focus, and this is the directrix corresponding to this focus. Okay, which means what is the definition? Locus of the point whose distance from the focus and directrix is constant. So PS by PM is E here. PS by PM is equal to E, and PS dash by PM dash is E. PS dash by PM dash is E. Okay, remember that. So this is the directrix corresponding to this focus, and this is the directrix corresponding to this focus. All right, now what are the coordinates of S dash, equations of directrices and all? Okay, first we'll see that. Point A is a comma 0, point A dash is minus a comma 0. Those are the vertices. Coming about the focus, S A E comma 0. S is what? A E comma 0. S dash is exactly opposite, minus A E comma 0. S is A E comma 0. S dash is minus A E comma 0. Point Z, A by E comma 0. Z dash minus A by E comma 0. So equations of directrices. Okay, equation of directrices. Equations of directrices. See, this directrix passes through A by E comma 0. This directrix passes through A by E comma 0. This point here is A E comma 0, and this point here is minus A E comma 0. Okay, just figure lo kuda mention cheyalani chestunnanu ante. Now these are the points B and B dash, B and P dash. We'll see those also. Now equations of directrices. Directrix passes through A by E comma 0, which means the equation of directrix will be x is equal to A by E, and here the equation of directrix will be x is equal to minus A by E. So x minus A by E is equal to 0, and x plus A by E is equal to 0. So these are the equations of directrices. Okay, now coming to A dash and B dash. So this we call as length of major axis A dash okay, A dash is equal to 2A. Okay, this we call as length of major axis, length of major axis. B dash is equal to 2B. This is minor axis. Okay, B dash is known as minor axis, and A dash major axis. So length of major axis 2A, length of minor axis 2B. So basically This point is 0 comma b. This point will be 0 comma minus b. మొత్తం ఫార్ములా సరే మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిన ఏం లేదు అక్కడ. ఓకే, సో a dash is 2a, bb dash is 2b. So focus ae comma 0 minus ae comma 0. Directrices x minus a by e 0 and x plus a by e 0. Okay, so they are the basic things. Next, latus rectum. Latus rectum. Okay, suppose what we'll do is, let it be L. Latus rectum. Okay, L dash, L dash, N dash. Assume that N dash, L dash. Okay, so L dash and N dash are latus rectum. So what is the definition of latus rectum? Focal chord perpendicular to the axis. Focal chord means we can say chord passing through focus and perpendicular to axis is known as latus rectum. Now first we'll see what is the point L. How to find point L? See, point L will be, we can talk about x coordinate of point L, right? We can talk about x coordinate of point L because S is AE comma 0. X coordinate of L is also AE. We don't know about the y coordinate, AE comma y, and y here is positive because point L is above x axis, so y coordinate of L will be positive, AE comma y. Now AE comma y lies on the ellipse equation, which is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So a square e square by a square plus y square is equal to 1. Y square by b square is equal to 1. So a square cancel. Y square is equal to b square of 1 minus e square. Y square is equal to b square of 1 minus e square. Now, what is the formula of e square? Or you can say, what is the formula for 1 minus e square? 1 minus e square is b square by a square, right? 1 minus e square is b square by a square. So this is nothing but b power 4 by a square. So from here, value of y is b square by a. Value of y is b square by a. So point L will be AE comma b square by a, and L dash will be AE comma minus b square by a. Yes, exactly opposite, right? L dash is the mirror image of point L with respect to the axis. So if y coordinate of L is y, then y coordinate of L dash will be obviously minus y. So b square by a, here y coordinate of L is b square by a, so for L dash it will be minus b square by a. Now coming to length of latus rectum. Coming to length of latus rectum. Okay, so length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. B square by a plus b square by a, which is 2b square by a. So that is the length of latus rectum. Next we'll talk about eccentricity. Length of eccentricity. Sorry, value of eccentricity. Now, what is 1 minus e square? 1 minus e square is equal to b square by a square. So e square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So e is equal to under root 1 minus b square by a square. 1 minus b square by a square, that is eccentricity value. So these are the relations very important for us. Okay, so a b e, relation between a b e, those are very important. Okay, so value of e is under root 1 minus b square by a square. Next, focal distance. Okay, we'll see focal distance. focal distance PS. Suppose point P is x1 comma y1. Point P is suppose x1 comma y1. So focal distance means PS and PS dash. There will be two focal distance obviously. So PS first. What is PS? See, PS by PM. Already we have written that. Okay, forget about this. What is PS? E into PM. E into PM. Yeah. Now coming to what is PM? PM is this distance OZ. PM is OZ minus OP. Yes, PM is OZ minus OP. So what is OZ? A by E minus what is OP? What is OP? X coordinate of point P, x1. So basically this is A minus EX1. A minus EX1. Now coming to PS dash, we'll get A plus EX1. Observe. PS dash is what? E into PM dash. E into PM dash. PS dash is E into PM dash. So what is PM dash? PM dash. Now PM dash is A by E plus X1. Yes, PM dash is, see, X coordinate OP plus OZ dash. OP plus OZ dash. What is OP? X coordinate plus what is OZ dash? A by E. So it is simply A by E plus X1. A by E plus X1, which is A plus EX1. A plus EX1. Okay? Any doubt there? So this is the focal distance. Now coming to sum of focal distance. Sum of focal distances. PS plus PS dash is equal to A plus A, 2A plus EX1 minus EX1 cancel. So PS plus PS dash is equal to 2A, okay, which is always a constant. Always constant. So sum of focal distances is always constant, which is equal to 2A. Okay, and what is 2A there? Length of major axis. So PS plus PS dash, sum of focal distances is always a constant, which is equal to length of major axis. Okay, is equal to length of major axis. Now coming to another definition of ellipse. Another definition of ellipse. Okay. Okay. Now coming to this, locus of a point from which the sum of distances, locus of a point from which the sum of distances to two fixed points is constant. This is very important definition. Ellipse key. See, PS plus PS dash, S and S dash are fixed. S and S dash are the fixed points here. Okay. So PS plus PS dash constant. So what can you observe from this equation? Distance of sum of distances of point P from S and S dash is constant, where S and S dash are fixed points. So locus of a point from which the sum of distances to two fixed points is constant is known as ellipse. That is the definition of ellipse in locus terms. Now those fixed points are known as foci. Those fixed points are known as foci, and that constant is length of major axis. And that constant is length of major axis. Any doubt till here? Any doubt? എന്തൊക്കെ ഡൗട്ട് എന്നാ? చెప్పాలి ఫాస్ట్గా. అన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ అక్కడ ఏం లేదు ఇంకా యాక్చువల్గా అయితే. ఓకే, డౌట్స్ ఏం లేవు కదా? ఓకే, so equation of standard ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 where a is greater than b. Where a is greater than b. Now we'll see what if a is less than b. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 if a is less than b. If a is less than b. Now the parabola will be reversed. So initial ellipse. Okay, so in the standard equation of ellipse, so what is the shape of ellipse? I mean, shape is ellipse itself, but it is horizontal. Ellipse is horizontal. But when a is less than b, the ellipse will be vertical. When a is less than b, the ellipse will be vertical. Just like in the parabola, x square is equal to 4by. In the parabola, x square is equal to 4by. So how the parabola looks? The parabola will be vertical, right? Either it is upward or downward. Basically, the parabola there is vertical. So similarly here also, when a is less than b, ellipse is vertical. Okay, so I'll draw the figure for you. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 where a is less than b. Okay, so comparison చేసుకుంటే చదువుదాం. S dash directrix Z dash A dash. Okay, B dash, O origin. That is known as center of ellipse. Origin is center of ellipse here. So now x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a is less than b. Okay. Okay, so this is the vertical ellipse. B dash, S dash, Z dash, x axis, y axis, okay, A dash, but A is less than B. So this is the point A comma 0 here. See, A is obviously less than B. So point B is 0 comma B. Okay, no confusion in that. So now coming to each and everything, center. We will start with that. Center, vertices, center, vertices, foci, length of major axis, length of minor axis, okay, length of major axis, length of minor axis, equation of directrices, okay, equation of directrices, value of E, length of latus rectum, value of E, length of latus rectum, PS plus PS dash, sum of focal distances. Okay, miss center, vertices, foci, length of major axis, minor axis, equation of directrices, length of latus rectum, value of E, eccentricity, PS plus PS dash. Okay, time ఎంత ఉంది ఇంకా? Okay, ఇంకా 8 minutes ఉంది ఈ లెక్చర్ కి. Now coming to this one, center, origin, రెండు డౌట్ ఉందా ఇక్కడ? Center is origin. Next, vertices, A comma 0, A dash 0 sorry, minus A comma 0. Okay, first we'll write all this. Foci, S AE comma 0, S dash minus AE comma 0. Okay, next, length of major axis 2A, length of minor axis 2B. Next, equation of directrices, x plus or minus A by E is equal to 0. Plus or single equation రాసేద్దాం, x plus or minus A by E is equal to 0. E under root 1 minus B square by A square, 1 minus B square by A square under root. Next, length of latus rectum 2B square by A, length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. Next ps plus ps dash 2a, అది కూడా ఫిక్స్ అయ్యా 2a. Now coming to this vertices b 0 comma b and b dash 0 comma minus b. So see how to write all these quantities similar to what we have written for the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by. Consider this as y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, think about parabola for some time. Consider this as y square is equal to 4ax and this as x square is equal to 4by. So what we have done? So in place of x we'll get y, x and y coordinates will be interchanged. In place of a we'll get b. Okay, so basically a and b values will be interchanged. Wherever there is a we'll get b, wherever there is b we'll get a. Okay, x and y coordinates will be interchanged and x value we can also replace, we should replace x and y, should interchange x and y. So these are the vertices. Next focus s 0 comma be and s dash 0 comma minus b, x and y coordinates interchange and a and b also interchange. Length of major axis 2b, length of minor axis 2a. See, now this is bb dash a dash, here it is bb dash, here it is bb dash. bb dash is the major axis here and a dash is minor axis. Okay, next equation of directrix y plus or minus b by e is equal to 0. Y plus or minus b by e is equal to 0. So those are the equations of directrices. Next value of e, ఇది జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి. E is equal to under root 1 minus b square by a square. So E is equal to under root 1 minus a square by b square. So confusion ఉంటే ఏం లేదు, ఇక్కడ b by a వస్తుందా, ఇక్కడ a by b వస్తుందా. Okay, so some of you might get confused where we'll get b by a and where we'll get a by b. Okay, so simple explanation for this is inside the square root we have 1 minus, which means inside the square root value should always be positive, right? Value should always be positive. Now what happens if a is greater than b? In this case what happens if a is greater than b? This will be greater than 1, a by b will be greater than 1. 1 minus greater than 1 will get a negative value inside the square root, so which is not possible. So 1 minus, first is 1 minus is fixed, 1 minus is fixed, and then b by a or a by b. So we'll know that accordingly as a is greater than b or a is less than b. Okay, now length of lattice rectum 2a square by b, length of lattice rectum is 2a square by b. Next ps plus ps dash, it will be 2b, ps plus ps dash, it will be 2b. Next we'll see origin shift. Okay, origin shift of ellipse. X minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. That will be the equation of ellipse. What is the time? We still have 3 minutes. Okay, x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1, where a is greater than b. We'll see when a is greater than b. Obviously ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది? x y, okay, origin capital X, capital Y. So this is point C, center. Okay, point C center. A dash, B dash. Okay, S dash, obviously S dash. Now coming to center. So what is the center? Origin is shifted to h comma k now. Okay, center will be h comma k, not vertex. Vertex is h comma k in parabola, not ellipse. Okay, now vertices should look at this and then origin shift formula. A comma 0 minus A comma 0. These are capital X and capital Y values for that. So to get small x, small y, add h and k to this. So A plus h comma k and minus A plus h comma k. Minus A plus h comma k. Next, foci. AE plus h comma 0 and then minus comma k minus AE plus h comma k. Those are the foci. Next, length of major axis, that is fixed 2A, 2B length of